ESF 2019 shows innovative ideas for more child safety. The connected child safety seat features pre-safe functions and is very easy and comfortable to use. It can be rotated so that the child is more easily lifted in and out. It is wirelessly connected to the vehicle in order to provide relevant functions. The child seat can be positioned both forward and rearward facing. Rotating the seat into the desired position loads the mechanism for the pre-safe system. A signal from the vehicle triggers pre-safe child. The integrated seat belts of the child seat tighten to reduce the belt slack. In addition, a side impact protection element is extended. This only happens on the door side, irrespective of the child's safety seat orientation. The monitoring function helps when installing the seat. Symbols directly on the child seat provide an installation feedback. In addition, the media display reports the installation status of the child safety seat. While driving, symbols indicate how the child is doing. When stationary, the driver can switch to a live video. When the ignition is on, the child's vital signs and the live video image can be accessed via Mercedes-Benz. Watch out!